In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide elements on mobile Webflow. If you're designing a clean, fast mobile experience, sometimes the best move is to hide a desktop-only section, a large image, or a complex component that doesn't translate well on smaller screens. We're not deleting anything. We're simply controlling visibility so your content remains in the project but disappears from view where you don't want it. Start by opening your project in Webflow Designer. Make sure you're on the page where the element you want to hide lives, and give the canvas a moment to fully load. If you've reopened the project or switched tabs, confirm you're back in the designer so your panels and settings are available. With your element active in the canvas, look to the right side controls and locate the visibility option. This is where Webflow lets you control whether an element shows or stays hidden at runtime. It's a safe, reversible way to simplify the mobile layout without restructuring the page. Next, open the Settings panel for the selected element. If the interface switches or you end up in a different tab, click Settings again to bring the element settings into focus. Inside the Settings panel, find Visibility one more time. This is the control that governs whether this element renders on the published site. Choose Hidden. When an element is hidden, it won't be displayed to your end users. This is especially handy for mobile where space is limited and performance matters. Keep in mind that visibility behaves according to the context you're working in. If you're focusing on your mobile design as you make this change, the intent is to keep the element out of sight on phones while preserving it for other device sizes. If you ever need to reverse it, just return here and switch it back to visible. Now it's time to make the change live. Click Publish. Webflow saves edits in the designer, but nothing appears on your live site until you publish. In the Publish dialog, click Publish again to confirm. Once the publish completes, your site will reflect the update. That's it. You opened your project, surfaced the visibility controls, used settings to mark the element as hidden, and then published the site to push the change live. A quick tip before we wrap up. After publishing, view the page on a real phone or a mobile-sized browser window to confirm the element is truly out of sight and that the surrounding layout looks the way you expect.